Hey guys, it's Savannah. Yes, I realize I look like garbage right now and I need to wash my hair pretty badly, but that is why we're here. Today, I figured I would try to do my hair silver. I have not attempted this yet because there's no long-lasting silver color that I know of right now, so I'm going to be using a temporary silver color, which hopefully it sticks in my hair for longer than like a couple days, because the last time I did like a light color over my blonde, it was pink and it only lasted for like a week. So I'm hoping that this will last, and I may put some version of this on my main channel. So if I do, then you can go find it over there. I'll put a little link up here. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, I just threw a crappy shirt on so I wouldn't ruin my clothes. And sorry about this backdrop situation. I'm trying to figure it out and clearly it's not the best it can be, but it's better than looking at the mess that's behind there, so we're gonna roll with it for now. So this is what my hair looks like currently. It's always a hot mess. And you know what I was thinking? I really want to cut my own hair. Like, I want to chop it to like here, but I'm so nervous. Like, I've never cut my own hair and I don't advise to, but like I can't find anyone that knows how to cut my hair the way I like it, so we'll see if I end up doing that. So I'm going to be mixing two formulations. I have a bug bite. The top of my hair is a little more yellowy than the bottom, so I got like a metallic violet color that I'm going to be mixing with the silver for up here, and then I'm going to be doing just the silver down here. So I hope it turns out alright. So these are the two I have mixed right now. This one's going up higher by my roots and this one's going on the ends. This one's a little more purpley because I added that violet metallic color in it, so yeah. And once again, I'll say this in every single hair video I have, I don't recommend doing your hair at home. It's not very smart. I work at a salon and do hair, and I work by myself, so I can't really take from what other hairdressers do, so it's basically a trial and error with me. So I try a lot of things on myself and see how they work out. So, and I figured I might as well record them for you because it's entertaining and like to see if I actually mess up my hair or not. So yeah, I hope I do this alright. If I'm looking down here, it's because there's mirrors over here, so. Oh, it's already getting darker. I'm nervous. I've been trying to figure out a way how to do silver because silver is like in right now, and I'm trying to see if this one will work. This is the only like silver I've seen. They have no like actual colors that like you mix with developer to create a silver that's longer lasting that I know of, at least. This is more forgiving too because it's not going to lift your hair at all. Temporary colors don't lift, so you can be a little more sloppy and not really worry about it as much because it's not going to damage your hair. And like with the brighter colors, what I usually do, alright, I showed you pictures. Actually, there's a video on my main channel, the 50 Facts About Me video. I inserted some pictures in there of all the hair colors I've had. So I used to have the top of my hair really dark brown, and the underneath I had bleached out, and I would put bright colors in it all the time. So what I used to do, I would do my whole head the color with the temporary color, and there's no time limit for it. So I would put a plastic bag over my head and sleep with the color in, because the longer you leave it in, the longer it'll last in your hair. So that's what I would do, and it would come out really bright and last a decently long time. My hair doesn't like to hold color anymore for some reason. Even like when I tone it or use a toner on my hair, it doesn't hold very well. It kind of just goes back to its natural state very easily. So we'll see how long this actually lasts. I will let you guys know. It's funny that I want short hair. Back to that. Because I used to like love my long hair. My hair was like down to my hips, like super long. And when I cut it short the first time, it was the first time I went completely blonde. And I was so sad. I liked it for like a hot minute. And then I was like, yeah, I miss my long hair, I miss my long hair. And now that my hair is growing out again, I'm like, I don't even like my hair long. I'd rather it be short, like, because I don't do anything to my hair. I just leave it like natural half the time. So I think it looks cuter, like messy, if it's short. You know what I mean? This is so hard to do. I hate doing my own hair. I really enjoy doing other people's hair so much more than doing my own hair. What kind of backdrops do you guys want me to get? Something cute, sparkly, designs, anything like that? Usually, silver only takes over hair that has no pigment in it. So your hair would have to be pretty much white to get a nice, like, to get like a silver that you would want, especially like a light silver. So it's kind of difficult when people ask me to do silver in their hair, because we would have to get their hair to like a white or like a very, 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 very pale blonde. So that's what I'm seeing. If this will even take over my hair, because it's probably like a level 9 like up here and a level 10 down here, but it's not like white. It's still like has yellow undertones a little bit. So I don't know if it'll take, but we're hoping it will. No! No, I just dropped a bunch on my pants. For some reason, I feel like this is not gonna work. It might be a flop. I'm thinking. Whenever I pull my hair apart, it's still blonde in there. Like the individual strands, it just looks like it's coated with silver. Like, I wonder if I can show you guys. Like, you see all the blonde in there? And then it's just like coated on top with silver. The darker colors of these usually work really well. It might just be the metallics that aren't working for me. We'll see how it turns out though. What? I'm thinking if I add some conditioner in here, it'll give me more product and it will make it a little less pigmented, which would not be a bad thing since it's the top of my head that we're working with now. So it's okay if the bottom's a little darker. That's usually like a normal look. So I'm about to see if I have little conditioner packets to use. I'm gonna add some of this in there and see how that works out. This could work. I was gonna save this to actually use, but we need enough product to finish my hair. One piece left. Do our last piece here. My arm hair is gonna be silver and purple, I swear. I'm about to leave this on for mad hours too. I don't care. I'm trying to make sure it works. To his house, and you pass me while I'm driving to hers. Just remember, you cheated on me first. You're a whore, you're a whore, this is war. Whew. Dope. Alright. I think that's pretty good. So I will catch you guys once I wash this out and style it. It'll probably be tomorrow when I look a little more alive, so I will see you then. We'll see how it turns out. I'm nervous. Alright, I wasn't gonna show you guys my hair until tomorrow when it's like dry and I don't look like this, but I figured I would show you it wet. So I got out of the shower and I'm like, oh shit, that looks so bad. Like some parts are way more dark and some parts are like still a little like blonde-ish, but like really ashy now. I don't know if you can tell like the difference. But after I brushed it out, I actually think it looks pretty freaking cute. Like, don't mind my nasty, the way my hair looks when it's wet. It really looks gross, but like, cute. And the parts that are still blonde are like a more like muted, ashy blonde. So it kind of like blends together with the silver. I kind of like it. I always think it's gonna be some like huge hair fail when I do my own hair, but it's like, I really don't care if I mess my own self up, then I mess myself up. Like, I did it to myself, so whatever. But I think it's pretty cute. Alright, so I'm going to sleep and I will show you guys what it looks like dried and styled tomorrow. I'll catch you then. Okay, it's the next day and my hair is dry and this is what it looks like. I think it looks cute. I mean, it's a little like some pieces are still like peeking through a little blonde, like, and some pieces are darker because I mixed conditioner for like the top half, but overall I really like how it turned out. It's cute. I'm feeling the grandma vibes. I'm liking it. So yeah, I guess that was my hair transformation from blonde to silver. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Turn my post notifications on to get notified every time I post a new video. Let me know what hair colors you want to see next because I'm always doing something new with my hair once this fades out. I might do something you guys recommend. So leave a comment down below telling me what you would like to see on my head. And by the way, this makeup look will be going up soon, probably after this video, my Valentine's Day makeup look. And I filmed that for you, so look out for that. Turn on my post notifications so you get notified when I post that. All my socials will be linked down below. If you want to follow me on my hair journey and see some of my work that I do, you can follow those. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.